For this project, we decided to make a smart device whose data would be accessible on virtually any network. We started with 3 sensors, a thermistor for body temperature, a step counter via a tilt switch, and a battery voltage sensor using a voltage divider. We're able to toggle these values on and off with the switches shown. We can also see all of the data being outputted in real time onto the graphs above.
We can now see that we can set a timer on the website end, and it will automatically set those timers or alarms on the ESP side. On the timer side, we can just set up a countdown. When we select an alarm, the AM/PM button is enabled, and we can set a time where the alarm will go off. On the ESP side, each timer is setting off a countdown, which will turn on an LED when it arrives at 0. All those LEDs and timer can be reset by an interrupt button, which is implemented on the ESP.
So in general, the most beneficial thing that we did for the website was having a very strong, structured way of organizing our tags. Because of the many elements that we have inside of our website, it was crucial that we have a good organizational technique. As well, it was very difficult to send our off and on as well as other commands to the ESP, because for some reason we couldn't send it directly from the client, so we would send a post request to the Node.js server, and then we would send a post request from the Node.js server to the ESP32 to affect the sensors. So those were the 2 key things that I took away from this quest that informed my work.